What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great. Hope you're enjoying your weekend and this Sunday. And welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Space ID again. Obviously the Binance Launchpad project of last week. If you want to know more about Space ID, by the way, just type in Space ID should you buy and then you'll find the video of me covering the project itself. But now we'll talk about mainly the technicals. We'll talk about the price, and obviously we need to talk about a bit of fundamentals as well. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. But I need to start off with the fundamentals because I think most of you know what Space ID is. But I think it's fairly undervalued right now. The market yesterday especially, or yesterday specifically, but the market overall has been fine. But yesterday was quite tough, and that was also tough for ID. I mean, ID has also fallen quite a bit from 47 cents to 45 cents. Like, what is it? Yeah. Actually, this morning, I'm a little bit confused because this is the 30-minute time frame, but this drop actually happened quite recently. And I would say it's quite undervalued right now, but we've been in a strong technical downtrend since, well, practically Friday when we when that bearish momentum was there because of a strong dollar strength index, but also because the Binance trading was paused and stuff. And we've been in a downtrend ever since. So what's happening right now, to really do a deep dive into the technicals, is that with that last drop, we gave up our support level, which we had. It was not a major support level. It's not that we lost a huge support level, but this level around 46 cents was our support level, and it was holding us, and we broke down below that. And you can clearly see that also with the trend line and the EMAs, that it's a strong resistance. We found support at the support around 44 cents. But right now, the big question I think is can we, at some point we're going to go up again. At some point we're going to consolidate and we're going to have an uptrend. You just have to ask yourself when it's most likely that will happen. And to be honest, in my experience of analyzing Binance Launchpad and Launchpool projects, it usually is unexpected. Like, for example, I still remember with Hooked Protocol, we also had this initial sell-off, and I waited for the price to reach this support level again. So kind of the support after the sell-off, and it just never reached it, and we rallied from there. So that's also what I'm afraid of with ID, or what I'm afraid of, that it's basically being afraid of FOMO. But the big thing right now is that I think we'll get up to that level, which was our support, around 46 and technically 46.5 cents. If from there, we'll probably find resistance initially, but if from that resistance we can actually hold our levels around 45 and 44 cents and test it again, then I think we got a great chance to actually break above that. And once we break above that, market structure is broken, we'll get up to 49 and 50 cents, and who knows what will happen from there. I'll keep you updated. We could just get into a consolidation, but if we, like, that initial bullish breakout is guaranteed, I think, if we try the 46 cents level twice. But breaking above 50 cents is a whole different story, and that's just a different monster. So I'll keep you updated on that. But if, for example, we get up to 46 cents right now and we drop down and we barely get any support, then it's more likely that we'll drop down below our main support right now, 43.5 cents. And once that's broken, first support level really is around 40 cents, 41, 40 cents. From there, we'll just try again. But for now, I would really focus on what we do at that level around 46 cents, because I think we got a decent chance to actually break above that later today. But all right, that's my take on Space ID for this Sunday. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care and bye.